everyone, welcome to today's class. In the previous lecture, we have already studied about the image formation through a convex lens. In today's lecture, we are going to study about the image formation through a concave lens. So before moving on to the image formation, let us see the rules for drawing the ray diagrams. So the first rule is we draw a concave lens, optical center f1 to f1, f2 and to f2. Okay, so the ray of light that is incident parallel to the principal axis after refraction goes in this manner. Okay, gets refracted. अब ये तो डाइवर्जिंग है, दूर जा रही है. So what we do is we extend this refracted ray backwards and we see that the refracted ray passes through the focus f1. So the ray which is incident parallel passes through the focus appears to meet at focus after refraction. Now next is the converse. A convex lens, a concave lens, f1 to f1, optical center f2 to f2. Now the ray of light first of all let's see from optical center. The ray of light incident at optical center passes straight without any refraction. This is the second rule. Now third, the converse of this. Okay. A ray of light incident in this manner. ठीक है, अब ये रे ऑफ लाइट ऐसे इंसिडेंट है, हमें कैसे पता कि ये कहां जा रही है, क्योंकि ये तो डाइवर्जिंग है. सो व्हाट वी डू इज कि हम इसे एक्सटेंड करेंगे. तो जब हम इसे एक्सटेंड करते हैं, सो वी फाइंड दैट इट इज पासिंग थ्रू द फोकस. ये कहां से पास हो रही है? थ्रू द फोकस. सो द रे ऑफ लाइट विच इज इंसिडेंट एट फोकस goes parallel after refraction. रिफ्रैक्शन होने के बाद कैसे चली जाती है? पैरेलल. सो अगर फोकस से इंसिडेंट है अपियरिंग टू मीट एट फोकस, तो कैसे चली जाएगी? इट विल गो पैरेलल. सो दीज आर द थ्री रूल्स फॉर ड्रॉइंग द रे डायग्राम्स फॉर द कॉन्केव लेंस. Now let us move to the image formation for an extended object. So the first one is when the object is placed at infinity. So the rays from infinity are parallel. So the incident rays are parallel principal axis f1, 2f1, f2 and 2f2. Now let us take two rays for making the ray diagram. The first ray, this is incident parallel, and the second ray is also incident parallel. Now the ray after refraction, this parallel incident ray after refraction goes in this manner. Okay, and the second incident ray parallel after refraction goes in this manner. Okay, now these both the rays are diverging. ये कभी भी मीट नहीं करेगी, ये दूर जा रही है. So what we do is we extend these rays backwards. हम इसे पीछे की तरफ extend करेंगे. So when we extend these rays backwards, we find that both the rays appear to meet at focus. So the image will be formed at focus. Okay, the image is highly diminished, बहुत छोटी है, point sized, and the nature of image is virtual and erect. Okay, virtual है और सीधी है, virtual and erect. Okay, now second, now we place the object between infinity and optical center. Okay, so anywhere between infinity and optical center. This is the optical center, f1, 2f1, f2, 2f2. Okay, so let us say we place the object over here. So one ray we take parallel, incident parallel. So the incident parallel ray will be refracted in this manner, and when we extend this ray backward, जब हम पीछे की तरफ इसे extend करेंगे, so it appears to meet at the focus. It appears to meet at the focus. Okay. Now the second ray, we take the second ray from optical center. The ray incident at the optical center goes straight without any refraction. So the ray will go straight without any refraction. So the two rays, the two refracted rays meet at this point, they intersect at this point. So the image will be formed here. Here we make the head and from here the tail. So here the image will be formed. The image is formed between f1 and optical center O. So the image is formed between f1 and O. The size of the image is diminished, and the nature of the image is virtual and erect. Okay. So there are two ray diagrams, there are two image formation for the concave lens, and this is all with the image formation through a concave lens.